Para saan pa ang buhay ko kung hindi para sa mga batang Pilipino? When we first set foot in Malacanang, it felt like destiny. We are destined to serve and uplift the lives of our countrymen, to allow them more space to breathe, and experience the promise of a brand new society, so they may be able to see things through their heart, which filters them from the harshness of everyday reality.
In order for our sons and daughters to become a better version of us, we shouldn't stop at feeding only the body. We also have to feed their soul, so that from young they will feel cared for and loved. As we move them to progress, that will energize the economy. Dahil ang mga anak natin, sila ang magandang bukas.
They will bridge the gap between our dreams of the past and our goals of becoming internationally competitive, but always with a humble heart.
Happy 95th birthday!
5 years. Breakfast with intimate friends and family. And I really cannot believe that I have lived for 95 years. And going through so many happy, sad days of life for 95 years.
Everyone, good morning! So today, I have shooting. Dito kami sa Pottery.
Shooting gallery.
Kasama ko po si Ate Yana.
Tita Ethel. Hi. Si Mama Vlogger. Ikaw may artista. Autograph po. Artista. 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 Hello, ma. Artista. Huwag kayong ganyan. Picture kayo, ano, ma. Pinalabas kami. Bakit?
ER
Hi guys. Welcome to my vlog.
Shout out.
Shout out po sa atin.
Ito yan.
Break na po. Ay. Wow. Hindi, ganun ako mag-lunch break na po. Ulang mo po. Adobo or
Mix sila dun, May.
At sige. Science naman. Kala ko. Ulo ko.
Siya unang lalabas.
si Bella. Hintayin mo na kami. Sobrang haba.
Ay, sige pa. Okay.
Ano siya?
A2. Be, ang dami mo ng fans. Madilim kasi, sayang. Super happy din mami niya na. Picture lang kami na. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Basta't mamaya pag tinawag ha. Alam mo number ni Mem.
Ang galing mo.
Okay, ready? Ready, stand by. And roll. Action. Smile, smile. Smile. And cut. Kaway, dito ka konti. Konti lang. Yan, tama. Okay, forward ka na mabahilit. Labas ka ate.
Ito yung kable.
Tope, nasa si Tope. Kailangan mapakita yung gown na kapula.
Sa promo.
Yan. Small baby, nakaputi. Pasnipet. Ready? Roll. Roll. And action. Smile.
Tingin! Tingin!
Action tingin na. Action, action. Okay, ready? Roll. Roll. Action.
One more.
Roll.
Ready.
Action.
Ready.
Action.
Yun, good.
Okay. Okay? Next. Okay, stop. 5, 5, dito, 5. 5 dito, 5.
Yung mga bata.
Okay. Nakabot. Palit kayo yung sa dito. Yan. Okay. Dito ka po dito. Bakit dito?
One more, tingin, susundan niyo yung camera. Sundan!
Okay.
Shot!
Jai, dali. Ayun pa, Jai.
Yung father mo matapad.
Nakapag-picture ako. Dari.
Pwede mo mga mami yan.
Ipi na ko. Pack up na po.
Ayun, dalawa.
Tapos na kami mag-pack up. Tapos na kami mag-shoot. Kaya, kumakain muna kami. Feed me! Enjoy, guys. And I don't know where's Summer. Samura. Ay, maliw. Malimus. Malimus.
Daddy naman ako matatawa.
Hello everyone, pauwi na po